What is up everyone, this is Team Developers channel, and in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix Wi-Fi hotspot not working problem, or your portable hotspot is not working or not connecting problem in your Vivo Y15a. So before you're starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for more latest videos. So to fix Vivo Y15a Wi-Fi problem, simply first of all just tap on settings icon and just follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your problem.